Okay, let's then come over and look at CL next. Let's get rid of all those. So this is the 4-hour chart, and off the low the other week, which I've got as the B wave of this fifth. So we're looking for an A, B, C for the final fifth in this diagonal. And we've got 5 up to the high seen earlier this week. Then this strong impulsive looking move down, but in relative terms, we've hit the 38.2 retrace of this move up, which is pretty much what we look for the A wave. Does look like we finally have 5 down complete, and we should be in this B and then get a C. So target for the wave 2, ideally 66.02, and then the 3, 4, 5, and it targets quite a bit higher up into the, I think we're going to go to that 91 area if this pattern holds and plays out. So at the moment, looking for the B up, C down, and then the bigger move to the upside in CL. Excuse me. Then if I bring it right the way down for you to the 15-minute chart, and again, I was really looking for the low from yesterday to hold, which was over here. We just tapped down below it overnight, and we got the beginnings of this A wave up. I'm not going to trade this part of the move. If we get a decent A, then the B holds a retrace. I might look for day trades up in the C, but B waves are horrible. So I'm looking potentially to trade the C and then the next C wave of the 2 down, and avoid this until it proves itself, to be honest, and the local lows actually in place now. Okay, NG next. So NG is now approaching this 1.0 extension here, which is the next level to watch out for, this 27.72. But off the wave 2 top, 5 down to here, 2 back. This is where we got short via DGAS on Friday. Then what looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2, and we should start to see this just push on down towards this 1618 extension, if that's correct. As Brian's pointed out a number of times, and he's gone into quite a bit of detail in his write-ups on this, there are other ways to count this, and if you're trading it in futures, you do need to keep an eye on them. We need to see that 27.72 give way. Otherwise, we can get a deeper retrace in NG, either against all of this, but I think more likely just against this subwave here. This can be counted as a larger diagonal down. The other concern when something hits the 1.0 is either you get an A, B, C, and you're going to go up, or you've got a 1, 2, 3, and you get a 4, 5 as a diagonal pattern, and the 5 can come deep. So that's what I'm looking out for in terms of dangers, if you like, in NG.